they came! So I got feet paws from Shamrock Scales on Instagram, and I'm gonna open them up. So I did take all the addresses and stuff off, but look at this cute little drawing of Dazzle. Oh gosh, I'm so excited. I don't know where my scissors are. That's okay. Oh wow, they are big. I didn't expect them to be this big. Oh my gosh. So let's open these. Oh, these are just little fabric scraps. They give a cute little tag. Aww. Oh, what is this? Oh gosh. Oh, they're little rings. I'm gonna put those here. Oh, a feather. Thank you, Shamrock. Oh gosh. Aww. Yeah, these were made for my birthday. Business cards. A little bracelet. Little stickers. That's going on my door. Thank you. I love me some candy. Oh, there's a pin. Oh gosh. Oh, it's amber. I already have an amber pin, but that's okay. Oh, wow. Oh. They're so big. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. They're so soft. And they feel really warm. That goes on my left foot. I keep thinking there's something else in here, but there's not. And then there's the right foot. Oh, Shamrock, you are amazing. This one's my right foot. Oh, they fit perfect. They're so big. They're so big and stuff. Oh my gosh, thank you. I'm gonna cry. They're so big. Look at this. I'm gonna cry. I love them so much. They're so big. Thank you so much. They're so huge. I love them. I'm gonna cry again. Thank you so much. I love all of my stuff, and you are just the nicest person. Thank you so much for making the Stompy Boys.